To upload receipts, click on the Upload File button in the upper left-hand corner. This will bring up a navigation box where you can select the receipts that you'd like to upload. Select one and click Open. Give it a few seconds and it will upload your file. A second dialog box will show up showing a preview of your receipt. You may enlarge the receipt preview by clicking on the Enlarge button in the upper right-hand corner. This will allow you to also zoom in and out using the plus and minus signs of the dialog box. If your receipt is multiple pages, you would be able to scroll through those pages using the arrows at the bottom of the box. If you're done looking at the preview, you can click on the Close button and continue to upload files. I will add an additional file to my list here by clicking on Upload Another File. Again, this box comes up. I can select the receipt, click on Open, give it a few seconds, and again it will upload my receipt file here. I will have a preview of my receipt file, and if I'm done uploading receipts, I can click on the Next button. That will bring up a third box which will show me all the items that require receipts from my report. To associate a receipt with a line item, make sure the proper receipt is highlighted in the Upload File box here. I'm going to choose my first receipt, which is for Sunny Hills Hotel, and I'm going to go ahead and associate that receipt with my lodging line item here. To associate that receipt with this line item, I simply make sure that line item is selected and then click on the A button for Associate. Once I do that, that receipt file is now associated with that item, and that item is now removed from this box because it is no longer missing a receipt. If I have a receipt file that has multiple receipts on it, I can actually make use of the Associate All button. For example, my gas receipts file has 2 gas receipts visible here, and let's say that those 2 receipts actually match these 2 line items here. What I can do then to save myself a couple of clicks is make sure that file is selected and then simply double check that those 2 line items I have left here are for these 2 receipts, and then I can just click on the Associate All button in the upper right hand corner. If I've accidentally associated an item with the wrong receipt file, no problem. Simply click on the button in the upper left hand corner to collapse this category, and you'll see that you actually have a second category that is called Items Associated with Receipts. I click on the plus sign to expand that category, and let's say that my lodging line item here, I accidentally associated the wrong receipt with it. All I have to do is to remove that association is click on the R button for Remove, and that item now no longer is listed here because it is no longer associated with a receipt. And if I go back to the Not Associated Items or Missing Receipts category by clicking on the plus sign, you'll see that that lodging line item has returned here because I do now need to associate it with another receipt.